Hi guys, well, here we are. By now if you watched the video of the sawmill and before this, I sawed it all up. I got 15 nice boards over there. I did a couple mistakes, but you saw it at that 1/4 inch where I was trying to get it level. In the long run, really doesn't make any difference. You can, after you get it down to where it's a handleable size, you can get rid of that 1/4 inch. And you face the logs anyway, so that 1/4 inch, when I put the level on it, that was not the last Sawmill movie, but the one before that. I don't put them on boom, boom, boom. If I could get them all together, I'd probably do that, but I'm not that good. So anyhow, what I'm going to do with this one, this is where I screwed up on that set. And I think I said it on the last one. I screwed up on that set, so I have a big board with rod in the middle. Remember that? This was the lightning strike one. Oh, did I tell you it was freaking Jeep and my name's John and I'm responsible for that? I'm just going to kind of get at it because I want to go split some wood this afternoon, and it's getting, as you can see, the sun's going down. So maybe, I know I'm going to have to keep walking around here. I guess we'll put you here for a change. How's that? And the first cut's going to be 17 inches, and I'm going to flip it over and cut it down to 12 inches, and hopefully I can cut a 1-inch board off of that. I don't know whether I'll be able to or not. So if I can, I can. If not, then I just wasted my time. So we will. Oh, I guess I got to start the engine, don't I? Man, you guys keep forgetting to tell me important things like that. And I'm super sticky. You're in there, yeah. more out of that. I guess I shouldn't have taken my mittens off. I took them off a little too early. Got a couple, looks like 6 inches out of that. Guess I ought to turn this one over so nobody sees the, it's got a couple little light spots in it there, so we'll just, how about that? Cleaned that board right up, didn't we? Let me pull those down. I guess I'm already sticky enough. Yeah, no, I don't have an injury. I don't have an injury. It's just the way it is. Spraying a little diesel fuel on that blade and around stuff to keep some of that stickiness from getting on everything. Not just me. This one's got a little bit of wane on it too. Yeah, that's the last one I cut. I could cut it down to there, but on this side here it doesn't show, so it's, you know, if you're putting it up on the side of the barn, you just put that in. It wouldn't be that big of a deal. Yeah, that stuff's pretty nasty. Here it feels a little light. Yeah, I know one pulled light. I pulled one pole I pulled too heavy, and then the next one came out light. That might have been it. I have to measure that. It might be a little thin. That's got a little wane on it too, but it's going in the pile. Those other ones I'm just going to cut up for kindling. That's what, if you're new here, this kind of junk here, I'll show you. I put it over in a kindling pile. I guess I got to put a couple, it's got room for it. Put a couple of them up there. I got to clean up anyway. These strips here are pretty nice strips. If you're board and battening. One gentleman wanted some battens, but he didn't want any knots in them. I said, "You talking white pine? That's kind of hard to do. Kind of hard to do." So I'll call him up and see if he wants to look at these. It's not these things here. This is just all become all junk wood. It'll become my kindling. I guess you've seen my kindling pile. Guess you've seen the kindling pile. Now I'm going to go, after I finish this up, well, I'm finished with it today. I don't feel like messing with it anymore today. I go split some wood. Take it easy splitting wood. Might go up and get this nastiness off my hands first. Yeah, this stuff, all these trims here, it makes a pretty nice kindling. I got, man, I hate touching anything when that is. That's pretty good cleanup. We don't want to get too carried away. I wish you couldn't find me for a mess violation. Hate to touch the camera. How bad's the lens? It's pretty... It's got some stuff on it. I'll have to look see if it needs cleaning. Anyhow, what do we got here? We have, I'll put you down. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm guessing there's 10 on the other side. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 20 12-inch by 9-foot 1-inch thick boards. All right. We're going to call that a wrap. That concludes this video. I think a famous man says that all the time. And he says, "Toodles." He must be doing something right, man. He's climbing good. Anyhow, hit the like button, subscribe button. If you know anybody's interested in buying that wood, it's going on Facebook probably tomorrow or the next day. So hit me up or somehow contact me. We live in middle of Carroll County. I don't know what the value of it is. I'll probably put it out at $2 million, maybe 2.5 million. Nah, make it an even 5. You know, you don't want to get too carried away. Anyhow, we'll see you. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and send it to a friend. We'll see you later now. Bye-bye.